This week we have a couple more AP tests,
an assembly for America's Best Youth Leadership Speakers,
senior exams,
and lots more.
Roll the intro.
This is the Chatter Newscast, coming to you from Reed Custer High School in Braidwood, Illinois.
Welcome to yet another episode of the Chatter Newscast.
Here to fill in on what you need to know what's going on at Reed Custer High School for the week of May 9th.
Let's get started with the headlines.
We will have no school on Monday, May 9th.
Also on Monday, the AP Chemistry exam will take place from 8 to 11:45 a.m.
The AP English exam will be on Tuesday, May 10th from 8 through 11:45 a.m. and the bells will be turned off this day.
Also on Tuesday, we will be having a Prevention of Substance Abuse Assembly with Ted Weiss. Known as one of America's best youth leadership development speakers, Ted Weiss works with thousands of students every year to teach and enhance their leadership skills.
Ted is in the business of making students believe they make a difference, and he teaches them how to do it. We will be using the following schedule.
First hour will be 8 to 8:34.
Second hour will be 8:38 through 9:10.
Third hour will be 9:14 to 9:46.
Fourth hour will be 9:50 through 10:22.
And the assembly will take from 10:30 to 11:25, and then the rest of the day will be back to our normal schedule.
Character Ed returns for the underclassmen. Freshman Character Ed will be during 6A comment time on Thursday, May 12th. Sophomores Character Ed will be during 6B comment time on Friday, May 13th.
Senior final exams will be on Thursday and Friday. Thursday exams will be given in periods 1, 3, and 7. Friday exams will be given in periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. Looking ahead to some upcoming events,
Seniors Awards and Slideshow will be on Tuesday, May 17th at 7 p.m.
Graduation practice will be on Friday, May 20th at 9 a.m.
The class of 2022 graduation ceremony will be on Sunday, May 22nd at 2 p.m. in the high school gym. Now let's send it over to the Counseling Connections.
Hi, I'm Tori.
And I'm Gabby.
And we've all the latest news from the Counseling Connections.
The life of a high school student can sometimes feel like living in a bubble. However, you will become more engaged in your own life the more you engage with your surrounding community. Not only does volunteerism add to a resume, but it also has a way of creating much happier students. Volunteering within your local and global community has been found to have major health benefits like lower blood pressure and a longer life overall. Not to mention the good volunteers do for their fellow community members. Moreover, by getting involved in your community, you will have more opportunities to explore your interests, thus providing you with a better idea of which areas of study you may want to pursue in college and in a future career. You might even find that you start to get more interested in your classes, since you see the evidence of those lessons in your community and can apply academics to the world around you.
The cool career of the week is a pet food taster. They evaluate the nutritional value of pet food and taste it. To be a pet food taster, you would need a degree in food science of culinary arts. Their national average salary is $26,000. That's all the connections we have for you this week.
Now let's send it over to Comet Sports.
See you next week.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Comet Sports.
I'm Joey Leahingham, and let's talk about softball. There will be 4 games this week, starting with an away game against Streator on Monday, May 9th. On Tuesday, May 10th, Reed Custer will host Streator. The next game will be against Ottawa Township on Thursday, May 12th. For the final game of the week, the girls will travel to Prairie Central on Friday, May 13th. All games start at 4:30 p.m. Now, let's talk about boys and girls track. The Running Comets crossed the finish line of the regular season with the Black Diamond Meet in Coal City starting at 3 p.m. on Monday, May 9th. The girls will compete in the IHSA sectionals at Seneca on Thursday, May 12th, starting at 4 p.m. The boys will compete in their sectional at Seneca on May 18th.
My name's Shaman. Let's step up to the plate and talk baseball. This week, the varsity and JV boys will start their week off with 2 games against Streator on Monday and Tuesday, May 9th and 10th. The JV hosts Monday while the varsity travels. Then the varsity will host Tuesday while JV is away. To wrap up the varsity's week, they'll play on Friday, May 13th at Prairie Central. The number 3 seeded Lady Comets will start their week off hosting a regional game against number 5 seeded Wilmington on Wednesday, May 11th. The winner will advance to the regional championship game on Friday, May 13th at 4:30.
Let's go, Comet!
What's for lunch? I am Billy and I have the lunch menu and healthy tip of the week for you. Monday, May 9th, we will not be having school, so enjoy the extra day off. Tuesday, May 10th, we will have chicken patties, au gratin potatoes, vegetables, fruit, and milk. Wednesday, May 11th, we will be having hot dogs, chips, baked beans, fruit, and milk. Thursday, May 12th, we will be having chicken Alfredo, breadsticks, vegetables, fruit, and milk. And Friday is the day for pizza, along with vegetables, fruit, and milk. Here is your pizza fun fact. The world record for the largest pizza ever made clocks in an amazing 26,833 pounds and was 122 feet and 8 inches in diameter. The enormous pie was made in Norwood, South Africa on December 8th, 1990. Now here's your healthy tip of the week. Focus on what is going well. If you're starting to feel down, practice mindfulness and think about positive things in your life. What do you appreciate right now? There can be little things like having more time to watch a favorite TV show or enjoying the fresh air while on a walk. Taking time to reflect on what is going well can help shift your mood and your feelings may follow. Mindfulness activities encourages healthy reflections. That'll do it for this week. Stay healthy, Comets.
Hi, I'm Mara, and welcome to the latest Media Center news. This week, we have some reminders and news about a new library. The last makerspace has been put up. Bring your own Legos from home and try your best to recreate a book scene. Miss Can will be rewarding the winner with a prize. Just a quick reminder that the library fines are due May 13th. Right after school on May 13th, Miss Can will be hosting an open meeting for all those interested in joining book club. This summer, the library will be undergoing some renovations. The carpet in the back will be replaced, and the books will be arranged in sections by genre instead of the Dewey Decimal System. That's what's going on in the Media Center. And seniors, remember to continue reading out of school. It's good for your brain.
Hi, I'm Jessen.
And I'm Jana.
And we have the latest scoop
on all the clubs and activities. Let's start with the music department. The Choir Awards concert will be held in the auditorium at 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday, May 11th. All are invited to this free concert.
The RCHS Band Awards concert was originally scheduled for May 4th, but it's been moved to Thursday, May 19th at 7:30 p.m.
The Recycling Club will be meeting after school on Thursday, May 12th.
The Art Club has 2 more meetings this month, on Friday, May 13th and May 20th. That'll do it for this episode. Keep on clubbing, Comets!
Thanks for watching the Chatter Newscast.
We'll be back next week with another brand new episode.
Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Before we go, here's your Fred Rogers quote for the week.
In times of stress, the best thing we can do for each other is to listen with our ears and our hearts and to be assured that our questions are just as important as our answers. See you next week.